Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's meditation session titled Mindfulness Meditation for Sadness. As always, please choose your preferred seated position, either on the floor, as I am, or in a chair. If you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes. Bringing our focus to our breathing in and out. In and out. In and out. It's natural for us to feel sadness from time to time. Today, our intention with this meditation session is to explore our sadness. We want to turn towards our sadness and explore it. If you'd like, you can place one hand on your belly and another hand on your chest. As we continue to breathe naturally, with each breath, we settle in. At this time, I would like you to think about the last time you were sad, or if you are currently sad, I would like you just to focus on that feeling and the emotions associated with it. It's natural to feel discomfort and emotions when doing so. If any strong feelings or emotions arise, if you feel like crying or need to take a break, that's all fine. Now I would like you to try and locate the sadness in your body. where in your body is these sensations and sadness feelings located? A lot of times people, including myself, ignore our sadness. And by doing so, it affects us in other ways. By turning towards our sadness and trying to understand it with compassion and without judgment, when these feelings arise, it's important for us to take a mental or journal entry notes so we can keep track of what it is that we find during this exploration. Was there somebody in my life that was involved in this sadness? Was there a stranger, a co-worker, a partner, a family member involved in this sadness that I'm feeling? What other factors was included? What other factors are included in my sadness? When were these feelings of sadness at its strong point? When am I most sad? As we explore more, why am I feeling the way that I feel Why am I feeling these emotions? Bringing our attention back to our breath. Notice how the oxygen enters as our chest and belly rises. And notice how our belly and chest lowers or falls as we exhale. This type of meditation session is the same conversation that you may have with a loved one when you're checking in with them, seeing how they're doing, how they're feeling. This type of meditation is a conversation that we have with ourselves. If you are ready and you had your eyes closed, please go ahead and start to open them now if you're ready. Maybe wiggle your toes and your fingers. The more we do this type of meditation session, the better understanding, the better connection that we'll have with each other. It's just like trying to befriend a stranger, a friend, a loved one. How often should you have an intimate conversation with them? How often do we speak to that person to get to know them? So I want you to think of the amount of times that we talk to a loved one, and the equal amount of time needs to be spent on having a conversation with ourselves. Just like riding a bike, it's going to get easier as time goes on. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.